Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Ryobi 18 volt 1 plus HP brushless drill and impact driver. You're going to also see what's included over here. The motor performance is brushless, a speed of 25% more, power of 50% more torque, and we're going to see what's included over here, which is 2 AH batteries, the charger, and the bag. So now we're going to be doing the unboxing. The packaging looks pretty nice. What we see when we open it is you've got your instruction manual, right there. It looks like you have the two batteries. They really have it tight in, as you can see. The two batteries we'll put aside. Now we have the drill and the driver. And the bag. And right now we have the charger. The charger looks to be durable. We're going to be looking at the impact gun right now. Looks to be pretty durable as well. You have the light on the bottom, which I really don't like because it kind of distorts where you are drilling. In the back it says 1 HP brushless 1 plus. We're going to be putting the battery in to see how the battery holds. We're going to open up the battery. We're going to put it in the driver. And we're just going to be doing a shaking around. Looks pretty nice. The halogen is actually not that bad. Now we're going to take the drill driver. And we're going to take a look at it. Looks pretty durable as well. You have 1 and 2 speeds. The chuck really looks to be nicely made. You can go, it looks like it's got a lot of torque. So I think that's the unboxing of the Ryobi 18 volt. And we'll see you guys at the next video. Like and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.